A potential recruit's competitor is nearby. You could sabotage them by hacking their work emails. A potential recruit's competitor is nearby. You could sabotage them by hacking their work emails.
Oh, leave me alone.
Cool, man. Don't give them a reason.
I've unlocked full access to the competitor's work emails. I bet our prospect will be happy to get their hands on that.
Oh, shit!
No, please. Oh, shit.
Now that you've helped them, they might be willing to talk to us.
What's he saying, Bagsy?
Albion's hot on his trail. GPS history shows a pattern of raids on locations he's recently visited.